Hey there, Alex here, and I have two things to share today. One is why you should love your contractor and not feel like they're gouging you. And number two is how to save a bunch of money on materials. So here we go. First things up, you should love your contractor. It's a pain in the ass to get supplies right now. I'm managing my own project, and I'm in Gorham doing a 14-unit multifamily there. And I'm currently in Conway. I went to Home Depot, I went to Lowe's, I went to Walmart, and now I'm headed to two different Home Depots, one in Windham, Maine, and one in Portland, Maine. I don't know if you're doing the math along with me, but that's about 6 hours in the car, and it is nuts. Now, that was a really quick rant. You should love your contractor. If you feel like they're charging you too much, just realize it's really hard to get materials right now. This is not an easy job. Managing my own project, I really appreciate what other people are doing. Chances are your contractor's doing you more of a favor than you realize. And the reason for that is because they know what they're doing, and they don't have to go to 6 Home Depots. They're going to pick the one that has everything they need, or they're going to get something different. But I'm not that smart. I don't know those rules yet, so I'm figuring it out. Anyway, here we go. Here's how you're going to save a bunch of money on materials. Get yourself a Home Depot Pro account. Use it. Use it all the time. Maybe get the Home Depot credit card. Personally, I'm not, because I've got enough loans going right now. But if you get the credit card, you'll accrue rewards a lot faster. They're going to do two things. You're going to stack up points, which are going to go towards either credit in store or credit towards the tool rental. I'm going with the tool rental because you get a larger dollar value. The second thing they're going to do is as they rack that stuff up, you're going to start getting little discounts on stuff. And when you learn how to make big purchases, $1,500 or more, go to the Pro Desk with it. Tell them, hey, listen, can I get a bid on this? And they're going to give you a discount. I got 17% off today, along with a bunch of other little things. I also got them to price match. When they're out of stock on 5 gallons of paint, but they have a bunch of little 1 gallons. This doesn't work with all paints, but it works with some paints. Sometimes you can get them to reduce the price. You can do that with most products that have a larger size that they're out of stock on, if you ask very politely. So I got a bunch of discounts for that. And instead of spending $2,000 today, I spent $1,480. And as you can see from my back seat, I got a good amount of stuff. And just real quick, in case you didn't think I got a lot of stuff, we got some more over here. Now, this does include some additional spend over at Lowe's. I got this retro fridge for $400. Honestly, I don't want to give you that secret, but check it out. Galan's retro fridges. If you're doing Airbnbs, these things are cool. These things are cheap. And I can't think of a better combo for Airbnb. All right, so that all being said, you need to go to a bunch of stores. You need to learn where the supplies are, and don't make the online purchase. Call the Home Depot. Get their Pro Desk's email. Get them to pull the whole selection for you. Don't purchase it yet. Get them to pull it. Ask them to let you know when the order is ready. Then go pick it up and get them to give you a bid. You're going to save a ton of money. That's my rant for today. You're welcome. Go make that mailbox money. I'm out.